back to our informative fun travel channel. Today we are discovering Bohol Island in the Philippines. We'll highlight the top places to visit, explain how to get around, and discuss transportation choices. Our goal is to make planning your holiday easier and save time and money by putting down on online research. Let's begin.
How to get to Bohol? To get to Bohol, you can typically fly into a Bilar Man-City airport in Panglao Island, which is connected to Bohol Island via a bridge. Alternatively, you can fly to Mactan Cebu International Airport and then take a ferry to Bilar Man. We first explored Cebu Island, so taking the ferry from there was easy. When we arrived in Bilar Man-City in Bohol from Cebu, we spent a few days exploring Panglao first. Panglao is a popular beach destination where most hotels, resorts, and restaurants are located. Afterwards, we moved on to explore the rest of Bohol. You can watch our Panglao travel video and we'll provide the video link at the end of this one. Panglao to Loboc River. It was time to explore more of this beautiful island, and now we are on the way to the famous Loboc River. Loboc River shouldn't be missed as it's a beautiful part of Bohol's countryside, famous for its river cruise. Loboc River is located in the town of Loboc, approximately 43 kilometers from Panglao or 27 kilometers from Bilar Man-City. What a delightful scooter ride we had on the way to Loboc. Bohol Island is rich with greenery and jungles. We passed through charming villages and stumbled upon a place that fueled my curiosity, so we stopped to look. There were knife makers. The Philippines has a rich tradition of crafting knives, and in certain sports you can witness skilled artisans showcasing their craft right on the streets, handcrafting these beautiful blades. They skillfully heat and shape the knives, employing techniques passed down through centuries. It's truly mesmerizing. And that adorable dog, you couldn't have found a more luxurious bed than snoozing atop the sandbags. We thank the guys for their warm hospitality and continue our journey. We got to Loboc when the countryside looked its prettiest. Feeling hungry, we checked booking and found a nice but pricey resort. Even though it was over our budget, we went there hoping for a better deal in person. They only had an expensive room, but we asked if we could rest and eat at their restaurant, and they welcomed us. We sat by the river, enjoyed the view, and had delicious food. I couldn't resist using my drone to capture and share the scenery with you guys. After resting and eating, we found an affordable hotel nearby. On the way, we spontaneously turned onto a beautiful side road and discovered the well-known cruise starting point. A bit further, we found a boat by the shore offering Firefly watching. The Firefly tour started in complete darkness, letting us witness the mesmerizing light they produce. Watching fireflies at Loboc River was truly magical, creating a fairy tale-like atmosphere. We returned to our cozy hotel, which was less than $50 per night, including breakfast.
In our next video, we will take you to the enchanting Bilar Magical Forest. We'll also venture you to see adorable tarsiers, snakes, and explore the famous chocolate hills. Stay tuned for this exciting adventure. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me. I can't wait to create another video and share more amazing experiences with you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week.